Hi viewers, welcome to VVRam Techtuts. In this program, we will learn the C storage functions and C programming storage classes. Storage classes are associated with the variables for describing the features of any variable or function in the C program. The these storage classes deals with the features such as scope, lifetime, and visibility, which helps programmers to define a particular variable during the programming runtime. These storage classes are preceded by the data type which they had to modify. There are four storage classes types in C: auto, register, static, and external. And auto storage classes is by default a local with all local variables as it is storage class. The keyword auto is used to define the storage class explicitly. Coming to the syntax, we represented it the any data type. For example, integer serial number and contain auto by default. Auto int serial number. In addition, we use the use auto keyword to the normal data types. Okay, and register storage classes. This storage class is implemented for classifying the local variables whose value need to be saved in a register in place of a random access memory RAM. This is implemented when you want your variable the maximum size equivalent to the size of the register. It uses the keyword register. We have the syntax register int counter here. Register is the keyword to assign register storage class. Okay, and register variables are used when implementation looping in a counter variables to make program execution faster. Register variables work faster than the variables stored in the RAM or primary memory. For example, we have here the for function for condition with the for with the condition register integer counter is equal to 0 and counter less than or equal to 9 and counter plus plus, and within that we have the loop body. This is the example for our register variables. And static storage classes. This storage classes this static storage class uses static variables that are used popularly for writing programs in C language. Static variables preserves the value of a variable even when the scope limit is exceeds. Static storage classes has its scope local to the function in which it is defined. On the other hand, global static variables can be accessed in any part of your program. The default value assigned is 0 by the C compiler. The keyword used to define this storage class is a static. Example, static and data type variable is equal to we can assign. Okay, we have the example static int var is equal to 5. External storage classes. The external storage classes is used to future a variable to be used from within the different blocks of the same program. Mainly a value is set to that variables which is in the different blocks or function and can be overwritten or altered from within another block as well. Hence, it can be said that an external variable is a global variable which is assigned with the value that can be accessed and used within the entire program. Moreover, a global variable can be explicitly made an external variable by implementing the keyword extend preceded the variable name. We have the external storage class example. we included the main standard input output adder, and we initialize the integer val is the variable, and external void function we we give the function name void extern function, and after that we started the main function. In the main function we calling the external storage class variable val is equal to 5, and we assign the value is equal to 5, and we call the external function external in this example. In this way we can call the external values. We can give the main function value is equal to 5 in the main function, and we can call the external function from the outer side of the main function into the internal, like a global variables we can use. In this way we can in the next class we will see the pointers and arrays. Okay, thank you.